Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair BOSE SoundLink Mini with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to click and hold on this power button.
Enter to Bluetooth
until indicator starts blinking. Next, on your MacBook, you have to go to the system settings. You have to go to the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher, and then select SoundLink Mini. From the list, click on the connect button.
Bluetooth connected.
We are successfully connected. Check in the sound settings if the output is set up to the SoundLink Mini speaker. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.